In this video we are going to talk about top tips to earn crypto on Binance. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Put your cryptocurrency to work instead of letting it sit idle. On Binance Earn, we've compiled a list of 10 ways to get passive income with cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency market is quickly evolving, and investing in crypto is not just about buying and holding. Although holding has shown to be one of the best and safest investment methods during the course of Bitcoin's more than 10-year existence, there is much more that you can do with your holdings than simply hoarding Bitcoins. Binance Earn is a Bitcoin product portfolio that is designed to offer you with passive income from your idle cryptocurrency holdings. To generate passive income on Bitcoin, stablecoins, altcoins, and other digital assets, you can start saving, staking, or even becoming a liquidity provider in DeFi markets using the Binance Earn platform. And, only on Binance, do we provide earning potential for fiat currency as well as cryptocurrencies. At the time of writing, there are $4.2 billion worth of crypto assets listed on Binance Earn, with a total of $70 million in total rewards to be distributed in the year 2020. Currently, the cryptocurrency exchange Binance Earn has more than 270,000 daily active users and investors, with the number growing every day. Stablecoin trading volume on Liquid Swap hit $128 million, and over $22 billion in money are currently locked in DeFi on Binance as of late 2020, according to the exchange. You can currently increase your passive income by investing in 10 different products, each with a distinct return potential and risk level. Generally speaking, items with higher risk-reward are associated with higher yields, whilst those with lower risk-reward are associated with lower yields. For the sake of this essay, we arranged the items in descending order of risk from lowest to highest. Number 1. Savings that are adaptable. Earn interest and incentives by staking 24 popular tokens such as Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, USDT, or BNB. You have the option to subscribe to this product or redeem your rewards at any time during the subscription period. Flexible Savings is a product that everyone should consider using because it has a total value locked in of more than $3 billion. Investment requirements. There are no investment requirements. Fees. There are none. Distribution of reward points. On a daily basis, risk is non-existent because capital gains are guaranteed. Number 2. BNB Vault. Earn incentives on your unused BNB with the BNB Vault aggregator, which combines the greatest features of launch pool, savings, and DeFi staking into one convenient package. Do it conveniently with a one-click experience. For additional information, please see our BNB Vault tutorial video. Minimum investment, no minimum. Fees, there are none. APY, annual percentage yield, at least the BNB Flexible Savings APR. Distribution, on a daily basis. There is no risk because the capital gains are guaranteed. Make use of BNB Vault to earn many rewards with a single mouse click. Number 3. Use of the launch pool. Stake BNB, BUSD, BTC, and other assets to receive the newest tokens that are published on Binance as soon as they are made available. Make sure you're one step ahead of the curve and get your hands on some of the most anticipated IEO and DeFi tokens, such as the recently launched BTCSD token on Launchpool. Based on individual Launchpool deals, the minimum investment is as follows. Fees, there are none. Bell and Wing tokens have historically performed up to 110% better than the market. Manual redemption is the method of distribution. Risk is non-existent because capital gains are guaranteed. Fixed-term investments allow you to lock in your assets while earning higher yields. Number 4. Savings that are set in stone. You can lock up 24 major cryptocurrency tokens, such as Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, USDT, or BNB, for 7 to 90-day periods and get enhanced yields on your stakes. You can subscribe at any time, but you will not be able to claim your benefits until the lockup period has expired. It works in the same way as a bond in traditional investing, it's that simple. $100 is the bare minimum investment. Fees, there are none. APY, annual percentage yield, 5 to 15%, distribution, on a daily basis. Level of risk, none, because capital gains are guaranteed. Number 5. Staking with a locked stake. Begin staking with a cheap initial investment of only 10 USDT in tokens and earn higher returns and additional benefits as your stake grows. Redeem in advance without forfeiting your original stake, and so forfeiting your previous staking incentives, or incurring early redemption costs by redeeming in advance. Choose from one of 30 different proof-of-stake (POS) tokens, such as EOS, DOT, or ADA, and earn rewards while putting your money at minimal risk. The minimum investment is 10 USDT worth of tokens, with the maximum investment being unlimited. Fees, there are none. Dynamic Annual Percentage Yield, APY, based on the total staked pool volume, up to 102%. Distribution, on a daily basis. Level of risk, none, because capital gains are guaranteed. Number 6. Extracurricular activities. Earn rewards for the things you already perform, such as staking and accumulating cryptocurrency assets. Binance Earn occasionally offers special savings programs for specific cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Complete the activity before it is fully subscribed, and your yield will be instantly deposited into your spot wallet after the activity is completed and fully subscribed. The minimum investment is determined by the lot size of each product. Fees, there are none. APY is fixed and does not change based on the activity. Delivery schedule, periodic, depending on the activity level. Level of risk, none, because capital gains are guaranteed. Number 7. ETH 2.0 Staking. Stake Ethereum, ETH, and receive rewards in exchange for helping to bring the ETH 2.0 network upgrade to fruition. Profit from the ETH blockchain staking rewards and earn interest. Redeem BETH that has been tied on a one-to-one basis to your ETH holding to maximize your earnings and potential profits. The smallest possible investment is 0.0001 ETH. Fees, 0 fees. APY, dynamic APY set by the Ethereum network distribution, on a daily basis. Level of danger, nil. Safe and secure ETH staking on Binance. Earn up to a 20% annual percentage yield. High-risk terms, increase your earnings to the maximum. Number 8. DeFi staking is a type of stake that is used to secure a defibrillator. You may earn passive money without the need for technical skills or hardware, and you won't have to worry about managing your private keys or wallets. Take a position in BTC, BUSD, DAI, USDT, or BNB, and begin farming for yield. Binance's real-time systems keep track of all funds and transactions. You can choose between fixed and flexible payment terms. Depending on the number of staked tokens, the minimum investment varies, as low as $100. Fees, there are none. A dynamic APY of up to 60% is available. Distribution, on a daily basis. Risk level, extremely high. Number 9. Investing in two places. With a BTC, USDT, or BUSD investment in a savings yield product, you can raise the amount of money you receive even more when the market price of your crypto holdings fluctuates. If the volatility of your cryptocurrency holdings falls within a defined range, resulting in earnings that exceed the savings rate, you will receive the larger amount. If the market price of your crypto holdings falls, or if your returns do not surpass the rate of inflation, your holdings may be converted to another asset to protect your investment. Minimum investment, there is no minimum investment requirement, the maximum investment is determined by each offer. Fees, there are none. Fixed rate of return with floating returns based on the price of a certain asset. Distribution will take place on the day of delivery. There is no assurance of capital gains. Risk lies in asset price volatility. Number 10. Liquid swap. If you require asset management services, you can add assets and receive awards at any time. Choose between stable and innovative pools, each with a distinct risk level and yield, and become a liquidity provider by adding stablecoins and fiat money to the liquidity pools, so becoming a liquidity provider. For USDT/BUSD, the minimum investment is $10. Fees, 0.04% of the total. Stable yields up to 12.8% on the USDT/DAI pool, innovative yields up to 24% on the ETH/BUSD pool. Real-time distribution is available. Risk level is considered to be high. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.